Slots and things, it's Mark and Nina. We at the casino. We just want you to come hang with us. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe button and come along to join us. It's Slots and Things. Mark and Nina. It's Slots and Things.
We're gonna play Dragon Train. I don't personally like this game anymore, but we're gonna play it just because of all the drama behind it, and hopefully we can get something. I don't know how long we're gonna play or how much we're gonna play, but we're just gonna start out. So we don't generally play this one either. No, but we're gonna try it today.
We'll try it.
Starting out with $1. Volume's up. Got an ashtray bag.
Yeah, I'm good.
Come on, do it. So those are the bonus symbols. For those of you who don't know, these are to get 6 of those. That'll send us into the hold and spin bonus. As far as I know, there is no randoms on here. One more. Yes. Oh my gosh. We got a bonus on Dragon Train. Now be good to us. I'm shocked. All right, let's go.
Plus the pleasure wise. Let's go, y'all.
Come on, let's get them nuggets on the front and the end. Come on. So she's wild. And she only comes down during the free games.
Don't touch it.
I'm not about to
Don't touch it.
Come on, nuggets. Well, maybe. Let's see what happens on the back. Oh, we got it.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a lot too. Yeah. So you got to get them on the front and the end, and we finally got it. So hopefully we can land that train. If we can land that train, we got a chance at the fortune jackpot.
Let's go.
Come on, baby.
Let's go.
Come on, pop, pop, pop.
Oh,
don't do us like that. Come on, pop, pop, pop.
Come on.
Get in there, anything, yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Come on.
Come on now. Something nice.
Thank you.
Something twice.
Pop, 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 pop. That $15 would have been nice. Let's go.
Come on.
Save us. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Way to keep us in the game, man. Pop, pop, pop. Ooh, come back, Minor. Miner's $50. All right.
Okay,
This is
there
it.
you go.
Keep us in the game.
Let's go.
Pop, pop, pop.
This ain't shit.
No, it ain't. Because we're only on 1 cent. Shoot, we started low because we don't. Dragon Train's not normally. It was nice to us the very first time we played it. We got the major and we had not been able to win on it since. So hopefully it'll go out with a bang as well.
Bang. I want you to. I want you to. 37.64.
Alright, we'll take it. Not bad for just starting. We just sat here. We positive.
Yeah. Definitely a plus.
So we needed him in that hold and spin. Give me a minute, guys. I'll be right back. We need to scoop this seat up. All right.
Let's go.
One moment. Here we go. it again, lady. What was her name? Kitana?
Naga. Her name is Naga.
No, it started with a K.
It's Naga.
Huh?
Her name is Naga.
It was K.
Naga will be around here much longer.
Oh, Lord, y'all. You're funny. I'm sorry. One more, one more.
Oh.
Ooh. You're hilarious, honey. Come on,
Oh, come on.
Let's try some nickels, $1.25
Okay.
maybe, or 2 cents, $1.
I'm in the green.
I still want to stay low to the flow though. Do it. One more. Ooh. One more. Yes.
Oh,
Perfect
wow.
timing.
That was
That was.
time
Yeah.
for Naga.
I was finna say, what was her name?
Naga.
Come on, Naga. Not gonna be around much longer.
Not gonna be around much longer.
Come on. Let's get those nuggets for the rest of the spins now.
Good.
Both ends. Both ends. Get in there. Hey, I'm happy to be getting bonuses. We wasn't getting bonuses on this for a long time. Maybe they loosened it up.
Okay, then. Well, let's go.
Alright, last chance to get the hold and spin. Didn't get it. Trash.
See what I'm saying?
Trash.
Naga. Not gonna be around here.
3.
Okay. Box. Box.
Make it up, make it up. What you thinking? Oh, never mind.
Okay, we need to sit right here for a second.
Those are the jackpots again, you guys. Hopefully she's gonna make it up to us here. Ready? You hit that button like them people over there that was smashing it. Come on, Nuggets.
Come on. Do it.
Come on, back in. Come on, back in. Lock in there. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I feel the money train.
Feel the money train. Let's get it
I
then.
feel it.
Let's get it.
Let's go.
Words, please. Come on, words. Anything, anywhere, pop.
There you
Pop,
go.
pop, 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 pop. Thank you. Do it again. Ooh, I see that train.
Train coming.
Come on, keep us in the game, baby.
Train coming. Here you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Get some words.
Come on.
All right. Get it. Come back, train.
Okay. Come on back.
Come back, train. Get in there. Pop, 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 pop. All right, this is it.
Let's go.
Come back. He was flying through there. still got 3 games left.
Oh.
Look at you finna
Don't
touch
touch
it.
it. Don't touch it.
You
Don't
finna
touch it.
touch it.
I dare touch it. I dare touch it.
Come on, do it again.
Do
Yes.
it again.
Do it. I dare you.
Oh, you dare. And you came up.
Yes. Come on, baby.
8 balls, man.
Yeah, let's go all the way. Let's go.
Oh,
Train time.
train.
Grand or train. We'll take either one. Come on, words. Let's get in there. Come on. Up, 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 up. Get in there.
Get in there.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Come on, train.
Come on, keep us in the game, baby. Up, 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 up.
Oh,
You get nothing. Y'all make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Like our
we got 2 more
content.
games, too. Don't
Oh
touch
yeah,
it.
we do got 2 more games.
Don't touch it.
And leave us a comment and subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, please. Share this video with your friends. If they like to watch slot content, come on, do it again. We'll take a screen full of her, too.
I know that's right.
Come on, do it.
Do it.
Oh, he didn't even give us
It
a
ain't
fast
no
spin.
fast, real, nothing.
That's all right. We doing better with each one. Doing better with each one. Come on, baby. One more. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And I was just thinking we should go to $1, $3,
I was gonna say that too.
was you?
I was.
That's okay. We're gonna stay where it's paying.
Yep.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's get those nuggets, front and back. Front and back, baby. All right, no more of that.
No more of that.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this.
What we got? 10s. Nuggets. Back in. Spin. Oh, we got it.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
All right, let's get some words now. It's time
Let's
for
go.
words.
Yeah, it's time for some words.
Words and train.
Come on in there.
All right,
Let's
keep
go.
us in the game. Thank you.
Yes. Let's go.
All small numbers. Let's go.
I tried to get in there.
Yeah. Oh, I just noticed that this is like the wheels turning in there.
Yep.
All right. Well, we positive, so as long as we not, going negative, I'm okay with that.
Do it again.
Shit don't ever
Yes.
show up in the bonus. Come on, 3. Do it. Do it.
Until we do what you said.
Oh, you just bet $15.
No,
I did not say that. You did bet $15.
I was trying to get to the lower D-line, babe. My bad.
Oh man, too bad. Why when that happens, we don't get no big money? Now we don't want to stay on this too long because we don't have but 3 lines.
Good.
That was our first line hit, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All right, you guys. I'm
Mark
gonna
and
stop
Nina.
here. We're gonna play off camera, and if we get anything else, we'll be back. If not, this was. Hold on, I want to see her name. KHUTULUN,
Naga.
Battle Princess, and this is Dragon Train. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Peace.